हैप्पी दिवाली।
हैप्पी दिवाली।
Look here, you will smile. One. Go together with Dida. One, two. One, two, three.
تعالوا هنا صغاري. تعالي تعالي.
Raoul, viens. Allez, prends ton dessin. On va continuer Raoul. Allez, viens là. Viens, Raoul.
Noise and tell me if you're here. No, hold on. I don't know. You know what? I actually spoiled my such expensive heels walking on this ground or grass or whatever you can say. But I have to come this far. I'm sorry. I cannot get that feeling which I want. Hello guys. Hi. Are you guys ready? Who you people are? Are you on VIP invite or something? Because usually VIP invited people, they sit like this. Come on everybody, are you guys ready? Alright, so how about, hi, don't forget to tag me. How about if I say, I got a very talented, ma'am, can't take my eyes off you. You look stunning tonight. How about if I say, I got a very beautiful voice in house today, and I'll call her on stage. But as I said earlier, nothing comes free in life, okay? Especially in Dubai, except fines. I always mention this. We got a lot of fines day before yesterday, so don't ask us why, where, whatever. But yes, we don't get usually anything free in Dubai, and in my shows you will definitely not get anything free. So as I said and I mentioned earlier, where a lot of people were not there, so now I'm going to mention that. All you have to do, who know how to whistle? You just whistle, not like this. You have to do it, I'll just pretend that I'm doing it. Who knows this? Sir? No, you have to come here. You have to come here. Alright, so who know how to whistle? Who know how to clap? Who know how to scream? Sir, please sit. Please sit here. You have to do all that, alright? Guys, are we ready for some entertainment? Yes, Avi. Thank you so much, sir. That was a good one. Okay, but I want to learn that. This is quite difficult. Anyways, moving on. Don't want to take a lot of your time, guys. But one deal. When the artist is performing on stage, if you know that song, now that's the rule. And as I said earlier, I'm sorry, I've got some disorder here. I can read people, I can see people, I can see everything going around here. And if I found you guys by any chance singing, I'm gonna bring you on stage, no matter how shy you are, right? By the way, I am the singer. You now gonna welcome me? Well, let me tell you, if I sing tonight, this is probably the last night of you guys coming to my event. So I don't want you guys to listen to me singing. But as I said, if you know the song, you know what you need to do. And with no further ado, everybody, can you please put your hands together for a very talented and beautiful singer, none other than Kavya, on stage to run the show. Thank you, everybody. Everybody make some noise! Over to you, Kavya. Hello. Check. Because let me tell you, you guys can hear it very nicely and clearly, but when you're standing on stage, it's very difficult to balance with the sound. But you did it so well, and I'm so proud of you. Thank you so much for coming and making the evening extra special. And we're so grateful. Keep the practice on, and next year, if these children want me to come back again, I'll make sure that you come back again. Yay! Thank you so much, Kavya. Right. One more?
Yes!
But no. What do you people think? It's Diwali, you ask anything and you'll get anything. Just say once more, once more. Yeah, once more. Everything is free, na? Once more. Right. Another artist. I haven't heard her before. But I know she's special from what she sings. But besides that point, being a companion to somebody who's in the same field as you, I'm pretty sure when Kavya was singing, you heard one girl cheering loud, even though when she was singing in between, because she couldn't control herself, because that's how the spirit of an artist to artist passes on. And with no further ado, I would like to request and call and welcome Ridhima on stage to perform our next singing session. Everybody please make some noise for Ridhima! No. Don't cry, my child. No, don't cry. It happens. It's okay. It's an emotional moment. It happens. After a whole year, we wait for this moment. But look at this audience. Isn't it like so beautiful? Right? Of course, it's normal to get nervous, right? But I'm sorry. But there is some disorder in me, but I get extra excited when I see this many people. And you know what? This speechless moment for me is an emotional, and I actually have a heavy heart when I say this, that there are so many familiar faces which I can see today from a day before yesterday's event, from Dubai Land to JBR and today in JVC. Thank you very much from bottom of my heart. Ridhima, over to you. Kill it, nail it, and I can't wait to see you again. Guys, I'll be back. Bye. recording me, right? How about we do a duo of Ridhima and Kavya? What do you think, guys? Now you see why I come back again to JVC. This is the reason. You people are too much lovely. Either you take me home, either you come home with me. I must come home with you. Okay, please look, guys. I am just. All I need is love. Okay. No expensive clothes. Okay, I look like I do wear expensive clothes, but all I need is love. Am I looking cute enough? You guys can just take me, all the children. Come on. I mean, I actually feel like taking you all home. You all are so adorable. And you just watching the show so quietly, it's very important. You know what? Because we go literally all over like Dubai, different communities. And we actually experience crazy kids, okay? When I say crazy, like real crazy. With my JVC people, I'm so proud of you because I live in the same community, so I just say it extra. So I live in the same community and I'm so proud of it. So that's why we have to come back here again. So Kavya, can I have you on stage? Everybody please make some noise for the duo! Now, we cannot have a competition here, okay? Because where there is art, there is no competition. It's just art, love, pure. So, guys, which song we singing? Pasuri. Pasuri. Oh my god, that's a difficult one. Who knows Pasuri? You guys know, right? Yes. Okay, so what we're going to do, when the music is playing, we're going to try to dance, okay? Look, what I am gonna do here, guys, by the way, I forgot to tell you, you got a background singer. But I'm gonna put my mic off, by the way. Okay, so whoever know this song, sing along, dance along, because I'm gonna be doing the both with the mic off though. But yeah, you got what I mean, right? So everybody please take your positions quickly. Come on. Girls, we ready? Ready? Sound, we ready? Alright. On my, everybody, are we ready? Okay, now kids, don't say anything, okay? No kids. All the moms and dads and the nannies and the grandparents and everybody. Are we guys ready? Sound. Yes. He is the man behind, okay, I always say, these girls are blessed with their own voices. But you always need that push, that kick from somebody, right? Your mom, your dad, your teacher, someone who can just say, you know what, no matter what the way you're doing it amazing. And he's that person who's actually pushing these girls to reach where they want to. So everybody make some noise for Mr. Gaurav. Thank you so much, Gaurav. Singing and dancing are the two those arts which everyone should learn or have in their life, you know. These two things. And girls, I'm so proud of you that you chose this. Okay? I can't wait to have you next year. Oh my god, next year sounds too far. Let's have a get together tomorrow, right? Please, send me my dinner invite, yeah? If you guys want, let me know. Be my guest. Thank you, girls. Thank you so much. Alright. Aren't you guys tired? No, hold on. Let me finish. Aren't you guys tired sitting? How about the classic Soni Mehta going to teach you dance tonight? So everybody please get up. Move these bean bags. Enough of these. Everybody, sir, ma'am, get up. Come on. Everybody, I can see everybody here. Nobody on the stage, babies, okay? Now, what we gonna do, you just have to mistakenly follow me. But you can do your own thing also. Because if I might disappear from the stage, so if I disappear, there'll be a problem. Because then you'll say, where is she? But, you know what, there's some few people get in my eyes. And of course I have to call them. Now, can I have you, ma'am, on stage? Yes, you. Can I have Ji Sardarji on stage, please? Okay. Another Sardarji, you mean? Can I have another Sardarji on the stage, please? Yes. You can come with your respected partners. You can come with the wife. Please, please, sir. Can I have you as well, please? Yes, you. Yes, yes, yes. Come on, come on. Can I have? Come on. Being Punjabi and Sardar, if I call, you have to be here. Come on. All right, there was one. Sir, please join us. Okay, so let me tell you something. Now these two pretty people, yeah. Oh my God, can't take off my eyes, yeah. Oh my God, who are you people? Thank you so much. She said I'm your biggest fan, but she don't know. I'm looking at her non-stop like, who is this glamorous woman? Because when people like this come to my occasions, I just feel like it's so amazing. It's so important to make that small effort, even putting on those earrings, even if you're wearing nothing else, but just putting those earrings, you know, just say, okay, at least if I'm wearing a jeans, doesn't matter, at least I put on earrings, it's a Diwali occasion. Making an effort is very important in life, even as I said in my 2 last events, that even if it's a birthday and you don't have a baked cake, or all the shops are closed and there is no noon as well, you just have to blow one candle and just say happy birthday mom, dad, and just tell them to wish and blow the candle. That's it. Nothing else. You do not need a fancy cake, a fancy setup, a photographer, videographer, or entertainment, nothing else. This is all enough. So these people made an effort to look like this, how they're looking for the Diwali occasion, and actually you are the couple of the evening. So beautiful. So can I get a present for them? Okay, I'm gonna give the present afterwards, but before that we're going to have a quick dance round, yeah? Guys, you have to accompany me, right? Yes, Bhangra Pana, correct. So this way. Sir, you please don't follow me, follow your wife if you don't want trouble in life. Guys, happy Diwali, and please make sure you guys give us a review, okay? It's, by the way, you all have to give a review. Don't forget my name, because that's the last thing you want to do after seeing me. So remember my name. Remember, you have to give either good, either bad. You have to leave us a review. If you guys are having fun, if we should improve something. Everybody please make some noise for Dubai Holding Community Management. This is impossible. Make some noise for the D-Cast event here. The people are hiding here. Nobody comes in the eye, but these people make it possible. Everybody make some noise for Mr. Vishal. And the backbone, I'm sorry, I never say these names, but I have to say today because today is the last Diwali event. And now we're gonna go straight next year. My favorite bhabhi in this world, the only person who's the backbone of this whole place and the plan. Everybody make some noise for my bhabhi! Raise your hand! Yay! That's my queen. Thank you very much. And of course, Valentina, come up. What's my name? So that's the whole game is about. That's the whole prize is about. There is one iPhone 17 Pro Max in the end to remember my name. What? Shit. No, she's gonna say, oh shit, I just didn't listen your name. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. Okay. I'm gonna be dancing with her. You please find your own partners there and do what you want to do, right? Because as I always say, no one is watching you, I promise you. Nobody cares what you're doing. Everyone is here to have a fun of their life. And I promise you, when you go home, you're gonna just say, you know what, I loved it because I danced out myself and I didn't look at anyone. And this is exactly what we're gonna do. Think about no one is watching you and have your moment. Sound! Ready for the next singing session? me right here means a lot. Thank you very much. Guys, I want you guys to be present here. Are we guys ready for the next singing performance? Okay, so now all the children here, okay, if you also know, I know you all like Gen Z kids, okay? I know you all know K-pop songs. But if by any chance you know the songs which my team is going to sing for you guys, do tell me, okay? Then I'm gonna call you on stage to sing the same song, right? So, ladies and gentlemen, can you please put your hands together and welcome Team Gaurav and Sarthak on stage, who are going to entertain you for the evening before we take a short break. So yes, as I said, don't go anywhere because we have break after that. Until then, enjoy the music. And
You and I have to say goodbye, and I don't know what it all means. Things like why not it out? Whenever you know that's where I fall. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'm gonna live every night like it's the last time, like it's the last time. It's the fall, I wanna be next to you. If the party is over and I got my night was through, I wanna hold you just for a while.
I have a song for you though.
oh my God, bring it, bring it. Okay, can everybody please make the video of this?
Okay.
I like to be in their attention. Sorry, let's go.
मेरी सोनी मेरी तमन्ना झूठ नहीं है मेरा प्यार दीवाने से हो गई गलती जाने दो यार I'll stop here 'cause I don't wanna get slapped by the search lady.
Everybody please make some noise for Gaurav! Gaurav, thank you so much. Wish
Thank you
you
so
and
much.
your
Thank you so
family
much.
a very happy Diwali and you have done a great job. Thank you very much. Alright. Did you guys miss me?
Yeah!
Who said no?
Yes!
Oh. Alright. Well, we have to take a quick break because it's a prayer time. But remember I told you that we have a Diya ceremony. So all my pretty little ladies who are wearing the Indian dresses, first, obviously everyone can join. But yes, we have to get a picture first, you know, for the Instagram. So I would like to request all my little angels who are dressed up in Indian dresses, can you please follow me right here, right till the entrance, and all the ladies and gents, you guys can join us. It'll be great to have you all in a family picture for Dubai community management event as well as for us as normal humans. Because as I always say, how many people came here who are not even from India? So at the end, all you need to remember, see, this pretty lady, ma'am, what's your name? Kawan. Rawan. From which country you are? From Syria. And I promise you, she have no clue what are we doing here. She's just gonna probably think, what is Indian people just eating, dancing, nothing else. And she have no clue what we're singing. Absolutely no clue. But I always say, in the end, we all are human beings, right? We all were born like humans. Just all one blood, one heart. Every single thing is same. It's just we are divided into different parts of the world and we say it, we are from this country. But at the end, we all are human. And the only responsibility for us is to be kind. For however long we're living, be kind, be humble. And the only thing which you can give it to anyone is love. So spread love, spread positivity as much as you can. I have a lot. If you don't have much, take it from me. Okay? Right. All the girls, please follow me. And we're gonna stop the music for a while in respect to the prayer timings. Everybody, please don't go anywhere because we're just getting started. Thank you very much.
Can we put it in this?
No. We're not gonna use this, okay? Alright, everybody, the camera is that side. You have to come this way. Yes. All the family members, we're going to take the personal photos as well, but let's take the one in the camera first.
Happy Diwali!
No, let's do it together. On my 3, 2, 1.
Happy Diwali!